Okay, so I just wanted to do a review on this microwave that we just installed in our new build, and I love it. I think it is so pretty. It looks good, very clean, and does everything it's supposed to do. You can see in there, it's nice and spacious, has all the functioning that you need. As you can see, it works. It has everything that you need on there. I love this microwave. I have it in my house and we just put it in our new one, and so I love it. If you're looking for a good microwave, this one is awesome.